Testing is the best way of quality control. All products are subject to strictly quality control, complete testing equipment system, including 100% raw material inspection, 100% production process inspection, and finished product sample inspection, all according to or modern IC standards. Now introduce 100% production process inspection and testing. Our factory, with nearly 20 years manufacturing experience, not only every component is 100% inspected and warehoused, but also the mechanism is randomly inspected for live test. According to IC standard, the service life of spring operating mechanism is 10,000 times, and our company can basically reach more than 18,000 times. For your information, a lot of the big brands choose the operating mechanism from us. The assembly line of the operating mechanism is directly connected to the testing room, and the testing room keeps constant temperature to ensure more stable and accurate testing. The improved automatic testing platform. Each platform can test 3 pieces of operating mechanisms at the same time. The opening and closing voltage precisely set by the ship. Motor power and control signal is supplied to the mechanism to tripping, motor energy storage, and closing, and automatic circle security, which not only improve the inspection accuracy, but also improves the inspection efficiency, and is suitable for large quantity production.